So let's look at today's level 10 daily Sudoku or dailykillersudoku.com puzzle. So I'm going to only use the combinations box for doing quick sums, so I don't have to do that math. But other than that, I won't use it for this puzzle. So this is 5, 6, 8, 9. This is also 5, 6, 8, 9. This is a 15 or 14 combo both ways. So just filling in obvious things here. So this is 11, so this can never be a 1, so this can never be a 4. And then, so 8, 9, 2, 3. So the 4 doesn't work here, so this is either a 2 or a 3. And this is a 5 or a 6, which makes this 8, 9. And makes this also, oh, sorry, I'm wrong, backwards. 8, 9, 5, 6, and then this would be 5, 6. So interesting thing about this relationship here is going to be that whatever this value is will be the same as this value. So, so we'll look at that in a minute here, I think. So we have 39, so we have 6 over there. So seeing if there's anything else here. So 72, so that's 18, that'll be 16. That doesn't really help me very much. So yeah, so let's look at this relationship here. So if this is a 5, then we'll be dealing with 12 here. So the question is, what combinations can we make? So we can make 3, 9, and we can make 4, 8. 5, 7 is not possible because of the 5 itself. So if we do 3, 9 here, what does that mean? So the thing that tells me right away is that this is going to break, because 3, 9 makes this be a 7, and we have a 3, but the only way to make the 8s are going to be 1, 7, 2, 6, and 3, 5. But we've just used a 3 and a 7, so the only possibility for these two squares would be 2, 6, and 2, 6, so that breaks. So we can't have 5, 3, 9. So the next question is, can we have 5, 4, 8? So if we do 5, 4, 8, that's going to break too, because now we're forced to have a 1, 5 here, and we already said that the rule would be that these two values will be the same. So if this is a 5, this has to be a 5. But we just established that this will now be a 5. So the thing that's going to tell us immediately is that this has to be 6. So which makes this 2, and this 3, and this 8. And that's all we know for right now. This is now no, something's wrong. No, full. I'm like, wait a minute, this math doesn't work. So this is 3, 7. So sorry about that. Drugs are bad. So this is now not a 2, 8. I'm in a 2, 6. So this has to be a 1, 7, or 3, 5. And then this is 4, 5, 8, 9, because the 6, 7 is not possible. So now we'll look at what we can do with if it's a 6. So that means that this will be 11. So our combinations of 11 will be 2, 9. So the 2 would be here, the 9 would be here. And what does that do for us? So I think that breaks this also, because now we have a 7 and a 2, and the same rule applies. Both of these would have to be 3, 5. So 2, 9 is not possible here. So 3, 8 would be our next possibility. So 3, 8, we know 5, 6 is gone. And then 4 and 7 would be our other possibility. So what does 3, 8 do for us? Do we see anything that immediately causes concern? So if it's 3, 8 here, this will have to be 2, 6, and this would be 1, 7. So 2, 6, 1, 7. So this would be 2, 6. This would be 1, 7. This would be a 9. This would be a 4, 5, and this would have to be a 4, 5. So if this is 4, 5, this is 1, 2. We already established this is 9, so this would have to be a 7. And then 4, 5 here means that this would be a 7, so this can't be a 4, so this would have to be a 5, and this would be a 6. But it can't be a 6 because of this. So this could never work. So yeah, the 6 and the 7 would both be taken here. So 3, 8 is not possible. So 4, 7. So I don't think there's any other option besides 4, 7. So if we take this down, we now have 2, 6, 3, 5, and then this would have to be a 1, and now this will have to be an 8, and this will have to be a 3. So let's see where that takes us. So 9 and 8 are gone here. We're going to have 2, 6 down here. 2, 6 and 2, 6. And now, let's see what else we can solve. This will have to be 1, 9 or 2, 8. Our 4 will always be here. And then this will also have a 1, 9, 2, 8 possibility. So if it was 8, then this would be 2, 4. 9 would always be here, but we won't bother with that right this second. So so here we have 2, 6. And then over here we have, this is a 12 square now. So our options are going to be 3, 9, 5, 7 is not possible, and 4, 8. So 3, 9, 4, 8. Oh, over here, and actually that we can already resolve this because the 3 and the 5 are both taken here, which means this has to be 4, 8, which means this can't be 4 or 8. So now we have a 3, 9 combo here. The 7's here. This now becomes a 1, so that resolves with our 1, 7 here. And then our 5, 8 is resolved here. So now this has to be 5, and then we have 7 and 8. So, oh, 8's already resolved. So this is now 2, 6, 5, but both of these are 10. So this is now 5. This is 4, 8, 4, 8, which both of these are also 4, 8, so this can never be a 4. So this can never be a 2. So we have a 1, 4, 2, 5. And then here, the 2 and the 4 are gone. So this has to be 1, 6, because we can't have 4, 3. So the 1, 9 goes away here. So this now becomes a 9, 1. 1, 4, 9 here makes this a 7. And then this is an 8, 2, 6. This is 1, 4, 9, and then so this has to be a 6. This will be a 1, 4, 5. So 13 square has to be, okay, so because it's a 6, this is now going to be a 7 combo. So this has to be a 2, 1, 2, 4. This is 3, 9. We know this is a 5 because both of those are 1, 4. So 8, 7 limits this now because we can only have 2, 9 or 5, 6. So let's see what else we have here. So down here, oh, this is always a 3. This is 9 and 5. So that now resolves this square and also resolves this square to be what? 9, no, 2. So this is always a 2. Our other 2 will always be up here. Our 8 will be somewhere here. Any of these could be a 3. Looking down here, we have 1 and then 6 and 9. So 9, 1, 6. And this row will be 5, 7, and 4. So just filling in our possibilities there. So let's see what else we can do. 1, 4, 2. Oh, the 5 resolves this and this. So the 2 here fills in some squares for us again. 2, 6, 2. So this is 5 or 9. So that means that this has to be, but it can't be a 2. So yeah. So this is always 5, 6. So 5 and 9 are resolved. This guy will always be a 1, 7. So this has to be a 1, 7 also, but the 1's already here, so it fills these guys in. The 2 and the 6 here fill in these guys for us. 6 is here, so now our 1 is somewhere in here. And then we have 3 and 9. So that 3 and 9 makes this not a 3. And this is going to be 1, 4, or 8. So 1, 4, 8. Then what do we have here? So yeah, so this guy here is going to get pretty limited. There has to be a 5. So that now makes this a 13. So if there's a 5, then there can't be an 8 because 13, eliminate 13 with an 8 is also a 5. So this will have to be an 8. This will have to be a 3. Our 9 will also be up here. So 9 and 5 is 14. So we also go 4. So this is our 5. 5, 7, 4. 4, 9, 9, 1, 6. This will be the 1. This will be the 2. And here we have 7 and 6. So there we go. All done. Alright, thanks for watching.